you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the silver swag box to show you for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, March 2023 silver swag box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in this month's box. I always love seeing their themes, what's going to be inside of them. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this month brings. All right. Special delivery coming in for March. Hello, March. Seeds the day. Ooh, because normally don't you plant things like March and April-ish? Let's see what's going to be in here. Oh, let's get the tape off and then you can see what's inside a sneak peek. That's what it looks like when you first open up the box. Super, super pretty. Like, I just love that. So last month I was missing the cards. They jumped out of my box. They did not want to come along. This month I do have them back. That is just the prettiest design though. Look at those colors together. I love that green with like that mauvish pink. That is really, really pretty. So this theme is Seeds the Day. That is the theme for this month. That is super, super cute. On this side of the card will tell you all of the different items. It doesn't go over pricing, but it does kind of give you a little bit more information on each item. And then on the back of this one is going to be some talking points. So if you wanted to talk to somebody, this kind of gives you something to talk about, and it goes with the theme of the box. So a friend, a family member, maybe somebody at the bus, at the doctor's appointment, sitting at the park. If you want to talk to somebody, these will be March's talking points. Again, it goes with the themes. On the top, it says, "My garden is my most beautiful masterpiece" by Claudette Monet. This month's box is all about getting outside and getting productive. Whether you are out gardening or organizing your agenda, we've got the supplies to get you started. So the first question, do you enjoy gardening? Why or why not? You guys know I do. I even record my process of my gardening for you guys. I love my garden, good or bad. The good, the bad, the ugly, no matter what, I still love my garden. Do you think you have a green thumb? No, I do not have a green thumb. I don't think so. How do you like to spend time outside? Very, very briefly. I don't like being outside much. Would you rather have a flower garden or a vegetable garden, and why? Vegetable garden, because then I can actually feed myself, so it serves multi-purposes that way. Did you garden growing up? What kind of plants did you grow? No. What is your favorite plant to grow? What is your least favorite? What is a habit you want to start working on this season? Send love, stay connected, get talking. So there's some good talking points. Again, Seeds the Day. All right, you guys. So now let's go ahead and start seeing what we have inside. Ooh, this is a nice little, it's a glass bottle. It says freeze-dried vanilla. Let's see, get my trusty dandy card here. And this says Cafe Souble something, vanilla and hazelnut instant coffee. Oh, all right. Mix this delicious hazelnut and vanilla instant coffee with hot water. The perfect drink for your new mug. I think there was a little spoiler in there. There's a mug in here. But it is a nice little glass jar, and it's some instant coffee. So hazelnut and vanilla. Let's find this mug that they're speaking of. How pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's get this all the way open so I can show you. This is super, super pretty. Remember how I was like, I love those colors? Look at that. Look at that. This is plastic. I literally do not need a new cup. Like, I need a new cup, like I need a new hole in the head. But I'm going to be making room in my cupboard somehow because this is absolutely beautiful. And I think that would be so cute while I am outside in the garden or outside with the chickens or whatever, just sitting outside with this and then the greenery. I just think this would look so pretty. Just, I don't know. I know it looks really pretty, but I want to be looking pretty out in my garden, drinking out of it. It does have the little top up and down. Like I said, it's just like a, you know, it's a little plastic cup, but it is so beautiful. I love those colors. You do have a paper inside, and it does have a little nice seal inside of the twist. And then you just push this down and it holds that in really well. I like that, and especially, like I said, being outside in the garden, I definitely need something that I can have a lid because all those little bugs that fly around. So as soon as I were to set something down, this would be filled with bugs inside instantly if it didn't have a top. So I really like that it has that nice little snug top. So if I am outside, nothing's going to get inside my drink. This is gorgeous. I just love those colors, and I love that floral print on there, and that green is just really pretty. So this right here says Steel Mill & Co. Floral insulated travel mug. This 16-ounce mug features a screw-on spill-proof lid and adorable floral design. Adorable floral design, hell yeah, I love that. That is just super, super cute. So you can make your instant coffee or your normal tea, water, juice, whatever you want to put in there, you can drink out of your beautiful new cup. That is just so pretty. I love those colors. Ooh, now we have is a Hammond's mint chocolate chip. Dark chocolate with mint cream center. Oh my gosh. Why can I not taste right now? This, I love me some mint and some chocolate. So this is probably really, really amazing. Mint chocolate chip, dark chocolate bar. Take the herbs out of the garden and into dessert with this desiccant chocolate bar. So there's that guy. Now we have in here, it says mustard greens. All right. I don't think I've ever really heard of a mustard green before. Noted. Cultivate and eat herb kit. Packed in a traditional style of Japanese rice bags, this kit includes potting mix, seeds, and instructions to grow your own herbs. Oh, when it said mustard greens, I was just thinking it was like some powdered form, like grind down. You know, because you can buy like mustard, ground mustard or whatever. That's what I was kind of thinking, but in like a green form. No, I guess there's potting soil and everything in here. I guess, yeah, you literally like, you can grow. Do you grow it in the bag? I don't know. Do you grow it in the bag? Contains seeds, peat mix, like peat moss, and instructions. That is so neat. And especially going with the theme, the gardening theme. Now, if you don't have a garden, now this will give you an excuse to at least plant something. This one, let me show you what it looks like down inside of it. This is so neat. I think you do just make it right into this bag. You've got to, because literally the inside of this bag is lined. It's like plastic lined. So you've got to. You have instructions in here. You have your seeds right there, and then you have your soil, like your peat moss. That is definitely interesting, and you're gonna grow mustard greens. It says wasabina, I'm not sure. Mustard greens have a spicy wasabi-like flavor. Pick young leaves to use in salads or as a garnish. When mature, eat stir-fried or sauteed. Cold tolerant. Thrives in cooler seasons. Oh, then I better get this in the ground now because it's... This is as cool as it's going to get in the 80s. It's going to just keep getting hotter and hotter. So I better get these planted soon. But that is so neat. You have your full instructions. You have your seeds. You have the soil. And you put it in this bag to grow everything. That is really, really neat. Grow your own herbs. And I'm assuming that it'll probably come at random of the different type of herbs that are sent. If you do get this box, let me know what you received, if it's the same or any different. That is just really, really neat because it just says eat herb kit. So that's why I'm going to assume that they might be different herbs at random. All right, you guys. So now there's still some more things in here. Woo! This is an amazing box this month. I love this theme. I love all of the colors that they chose for this theme. I'm just, ooh, and hazelnuts right here. Rosemary garlic, heart healthy, Oregon grown. And that is another snack here, you guys. This is Laurel Foods, grown in Oregon. These nuts are a healthy and delicious savory snack. I love nuts. My man does too. So I'm sure. Oh, and it's a cute little like resealable bag. I like that. So once you do open it, you can just reseal it and they'll stay nice and fresh inside of the bag. I know he's probably going to love them as well. We love rosemary. We love garlic. We love nuts. So I'm sure that's going to be amazing. I just wish I could taste, but I can't. Now we have, it says menu planner. That is actually really cute. It looks kind of like it would be a menu, but it's a planner. Oh, it has a meal planner and a grocery list. That is really, really neat. And it does have week of on the top. So you can just write whatever week it is for. So it's not like it's a specific calendar where you need to use specific days and that kind of thing. You can use these anytime. If you don't want to write what week it is and just use it and that's the one you use, no problem. But I do like that they're perforated. So once you do have your stuff down, you can just rip that one page off. I do like that it does have the little bullet right here. So if you are shopping in the store, you can check off that you did receive it. And the meal planner, that is really, really cute. So if you do plan your meals out, afterward, you can go and tell it how many stars that meal was. And then you can save these. And if you ever want to go back to be like, what meal did I cook that was absolutely amazing? You can go and see which one you gave like the best rating to. The worst rating, you can avoid that and maybe not cook that one again. But I do think that's so cute that you do have like the 5-star rating that you can rate it afterwards. I really do like that. So this is actually super cute. It says Heather Lee Chan on the back of it. And you both, again, you have both sides perforated. I like that you can check things off. You can rate your meals. That is super, super neat. And then it's the menu. And that would even look cute sitting on your counter or just prepped up like up against, like posted up against like your backsplash or something. And then you can just keep a log. Oh my gosh, you know, it would be even more perfect if it had a pin built in that would slide like behind here. So you opened it, you just pulled your pin out and it was there. And that would have made this like 1,000 times better, but it is already amazing. You know what I mean? But you can just keep your pin anywhere near it and jot it down. But I just think that's so cute. It looks just like a menu. That is adorable. What it says on this one, it says ECCOLO. Maybe that's the brand. On the back, it just says Heather Lee Chan, so that's why I said that. It says Menu Planner Folio. Be ready to seize the day with this menu planner and shopping list combo. Again, that is simply adorable. I love the concept and I love the design. Now we have one more item in here and it looks like we have a spray bottle. This is actually really, really cute. Let me remove the plastic. This is what it looks like. It is a spray bottle, but I like that this is a good size. It's not like a teeny tiny one. It says, I've been growing herbs in my garden, 365. Fill the garden spice. Spray 500 ml. So it's a 500 ml, I guess, bottle. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. It just has like all of those little sayings and stuff all around it. That is just really, really cute. For this one, it says time concept, plant spray bottle. Help your garden grow with this stylish and convenient spray bottle. Now, I know I do need to start planting some of my stuff that I want to grow by seed. So then I like the concept of this because then I can go and just kind of give them a little spritz. And with my chickens, actually, there's a thing that you can just put like some seeds out and you have to spray them a couple times a day. So I had to go and find a spray bottle that I normally use when I do iron for those few days that I bust the iron out. That I have the spray bottle to use that for. So I had to go and find that one to use for when I was doing those for the chickens. So now I will use this one for all of my seeds. If it's the chicken seeds or it's my garden seeds, I now have a spray bottle designated for my seeds. And I absolutely love that. And it has like the little green and everything on it. So I know that this is going to be for the garden, especially with like the little flowers and everything on it. And it has the green font, like the coloring. So I really, really, really like that. It's the simple little things, but I like that it's just a basic plastic bottle, a nice size, and it's decorated for gardening. I love that. So now that is everything for this box. I am in love with everything in here, you guys. You have this spray bottle, you have some nuts, you You have this really neat menu style organizing planner. You do have this beautiful mug. I love those colors. I just am absolutely loving the colors and the design. You have an instant coffee. You have a mint chocolate chip bar. And then you have a grow your own herb kit. So now that is everything for the March 2023 box. Oh my goodness, I felt this was an amazing box. Again, I love the theme. I love that just because this is the time to start sprouting your seeds. I love that it's like a garden theme. I love those colors. I just love everything about this box this month, and let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Are you just as excited about the items that they chose for this month as me? Do you just love all of those colors? And I just think everything was just amazing in this box. So let me know what you thought. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you $15 off your very first box if you are interested. Send love and stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun, you'll want one for yourself. What's inside? Each month is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Boxes include activities, daily use personal care items, conversation cards, and more. And upon signing up, you will be able to customize your dietary preferences on your order confirmation page. So month to month, it's $49.99. You will have a $5 shipping charge for US only. If you do a 6-month plan, it brings your box price down to $47.49, and you save the shipping, free shipping for the 6 and the 12-month plans. 12-month plan will bring your box price down to $44.99, and again, it is still the free shipping. So that is now everything that I have for this particular box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about it? I am absolutely loving this box, and I love the colors. Like, I am absolutely loving these colors on this mug. And I love all the other things in there too. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.